Taking a family hike out here. We're at Hidden Falls Regional Park. It is a very sunny, warm day, and we're getting the heck outside. Hubby noticed the horse poops. I think that's for him. Don't walk in that, Rocky!
It smells good. It smells like horse poop.
This is so cool. This is just the beginning, but look at all of this. It's crazy. The husband is the leader because he knows what he's doing. You definitely don't want this girl guiding, that's for sure. What'd you find?
I found a pineapple. Pine cone. Underwater. That's pretty cool. Look at this.
Wow, careful. He's an adventurer, so he's over here trying to find a swimming hole that's deep enough to even cover his waist because he's that big. Cutie. Out here enjoying this waterfall, hiking with the family. It is so awesome. There's a lot of people out here too. It's like 103 degrees, but it doesn't feel that bad. Put our feet in the water and hanging. And then, let's see where the girls are.
Mommy, look how smart you did it.
All right, good job, you guys. He's fallen like 50 times, and he's such an adventurer that he doesn't care. He's just gonna keep doing it, so that's exciting. Rocco is like chilling. He's not messing with the water. Scaredy guy. But we're having a blast out here. Rocco, be careful. Sit down.
I did it.
It's pretty cool. My husband's trying to teach the kids how to swim, which is quite interesting. It is Sunday morning. It is time to get it cracking. So, normal day in my life on a Sunday. I'm cooking dinner for somebody, and my husband is making me coffee. My kids are acting crazy. Let me show you guys the kids. They're acting ridiculous. I'm running through the house.
Don't jump over my
They're acting crazy. Look at him. He's having a little bit of a temper tantrum on the ground. And then we have that little girl looking for, hi boo boo. And that girl. Crazy. So this is the highlight of my Sunday morning to me. Other than church, when I get to cook for people or just cook in general. Oh my gosh, so check this out. So I'm making Deutsch style brats, and I'm making this really good potato salad that is so not normal. It has mint in it, it has parsley, it's got asparagus, it has some peas in it. It's really good. It has sun-dried tomatoes in it. So I'm gonna do a video on it because my family loves it, including my kids. But this to me is the life. Hey y'all, so I don't know where you guys live, but where I live, my car says 106 degrees, which means we're going swimming, we're going swimming. So today we went to the store to go get the last like bits and bobs for the kids' school supplies. Then I get a text from my best friend saying, want to go swimming? So, duh. So we're just waiting on my husband and the boys to get home, changing into our suits, which I've already done, and then we're out this. How excited are you that we're going swimming?
What's the word for it? I'm not hot enough. Wait.
What?
No, not that. I can't go swimming because it's really hot, and then when the ice is so bad because it's Hot. I know. I'm so excited. I could just lick her shirt right now.
Oh, the ice cream shirt.